If you love music and if you want to know how music affects your confidence and how you can actually make yourself feel more confident by using music, then definitely keep watching because this video is definitely for you. Hi internet best friends and welcome back to my channel. It is the finals week right now and that's why you can kind of see that my room is a complete mess. So in this video I decided to talk about how music affects your confidence and at the same time kind of put it together as a vlog too. If you just want to skip to the music part, here's the timestamp. But other than that, I need to clean my room post finals, take a finals computer exam, wash my hair, and then I'm going to be doing some creative makeup and talking about how you can use music to boost your confidence. Also, I'm aware that I look horrible right now, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna be fixing that in this video. So first step, let's wash my hair. Just try to take a guess for how long I haven't been able to wash my hair because I have final exams. This has not been washed in a whole entire week.
I'm disgusted.
I feel like all of you are going to freaking hate me right now. It's 2:28 and my exam is at 3, so I'm literally so freaking late for my exam right now.
A few moments later.
I don't care if listening to Spotify is the reason that I'm going to be late.
"12 seconds later.
I love this line. Oh my god. Okay, so before I leave, here's the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. It's just like casual because I want it to be warm. So I have my favorite pink Kenzo bag, my favorite Levi hoodie. I don't even know how much time I have to get to class, and I think I have like 3 minutes or something, so let's see if I make it. Ready, set, get the keys, run. Also, there's like a bug on my door. This is honestly not a good thing to be doing because running down the stairs when both of your hands are busy, if you fall and trip, especially because you're filming, your attention isn't there, you're going to land on your face. And as late as I am, I'm not gonna be running in the snow because that has ended badly previously. I broke my phone. Oh, that's so pretty.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
You will see a number that is slightly different than what is on the choices.
20 minutes later.
Okay, but like just so you guys freaking understand, I don't know Excel. The only thing I know is probably how to use the sum function. When the professor announced that we are going to have a multiple choice freaking test, I thought I was going to fail. I don't know how. I don't know how this happened. I blame the mother subliminal I listened to yesterday for getting good grades. I would have failed, but I was like, I'm confident in myself. I know that I can finesse my way through things. So with that being said, let's talk about how music can affect your confidence and how you can use music to make yourself more confident. So first of all, you probably also noticed that when you listen to certain types of songs, it can make you feel more confident after, but what is it actually about those songs that makes you feel more confident, and how can you use specific types of songs to increase your confidence? The first thing to know here is that there's a thing called emotional contagion, which basically means that emotions are contagious. So when you listen to a certain song, you're going to feel the emotions that are in that song. I know, pretty basic, right? But you can actually really easily use this to your advantage by choosing songs that convey really confident emotion and listening to those songs when you need that kind of like extra boost of confidence. You can make a playlist for school that you listen to before going to school that has a lot of songs that have really confident emotions in them, and when listening to those songs, those emotions are going to be transferred onto you. But at the same time, there is something more complicated in the songs, which is that every single song usually paints a certain image in your head. So think about the last song that you listened to. What kind of lyrics did it have? For example, for me, literally, the very last last song that I was listening to was Hot Killer by Julia Wolf, and here's a snippet of it.
Skipping the line in my short skirt and Nikes, wearing all black in the 2C.
And as you guys can see, the song has lyrics like skipping the line in my short skirt and Nikes. And basically, you probably, when I was saying those lyrics, imagined all of those things in your head. And those images in turn make you feel different emotions. Like, for example, if a song creates more positive, like confident imagery, like I think it's Lil Tate or Flamilly. I don't remember exactly which one it was, but basically the song I Am, where it's like, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm rich, I'm gonna go get that bag and I'm not gonna take your shit. Basically, listening to that song usually would put images of like having a lot of money in your mind, or like looking at yourself in the mirror and wearing a great outfit, which definitely, at least for me, make me feel confident. Speaking of confidence and belief in yourself, there's actually a certain type of music that, not just by emotional contagion or imagery, but literally by the instruments that is used in it, can make you feel more confident. So there was this study done on if music can increase the feelings of personal power, where I don't know if you guys are even interested in like the science part of it or anything, but the subjects were basically tested on like their belief in their abilities and like self-power questionnaire, as well as different tasks like if they would choose to go first during a debate, or if they would choose to roll the dice themselves, if they had to land it on a certain number, which are the activities that would reflect how much the person would believe in themselves in that moment. And the people who listened to what in that study was defined as high power music actually showed the increase in their feelings of personal power. And the quote-unquote high power music that the study was basically the music that had heavier bass. Now, I know you might be like, what the heck is a heavier bass music? I don't know how that sounds. I don't know how to find that. I was also confused about it when I first heard it, but basically, like, I don't know if you guys have heard the song that was really popular. I think it was around like 2013, something like that, but the song was called Sail, and if you know it, you know what I'm talking about, and if you don't know it, I'm gonna include a snippet of it right here. Basically, you get the idea of what I'm talking about. The songs that you listen to can be tied to certain memories in your head. For example, like if at some point in your life you went to some event where you really felt really confident in that moment and a certain song was playing, you would start associating that song with feeling confident, and whenever that song comes on, you're going to kind of like have this confident feeling rise up in you. The same goes for like, just think about like songs that you used to listen to with your ex, or songs that you used to listen to in really sad moments of your life. Whenever you hear it, it almost like brings you back to that moment in your life. So you can either think of songs that bring up memories in you that make you feel confident, or here's a life hack that is also based on psychology, but basically this is low-key kind of like playing with classical conditioning, and it's to, when you feel really confident, pick a specific song and listen to that song every single time that you do. The more you're going to do that, the more you're going to start associating that song with feeling confident. And if you do that enough times, that association is going to become solidified in your brain. So when you go ahead and listen to that song, even when you're not really feeling confident, it's going to bring up that confident feeling in you, because you now associate that song with feeling confident. And something that's also tied to music that can also increase your confidence a lot, and a lot of studies in psychology have actually shown this, which is that playing a musical instrument can actually increase your confidence a lot. So if you guys are thinking what to ask your parents for this Christmas, maybe if you're interested in it, think about getting a musical instrument, which is actually what I'm going to be getting for Christmas, and it's going to be pink, and I'm so freaking excited for it. But anyways, these are all the ways that music can affect your confidence. And if you want to know some confidence lessons that you can steal from our favorite iconic teen movie characters, then definitely watch this video right here. This is my completed makeup look. I tried to do like thunderstorm, but I don't know if I actually succeeded in that, or if I look like I just have like weird vein drawings on my face. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!